how to log into your HBO Max on a new device. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that HBO Max is logged out of your old device, right? So after making sure it is logged out of your old device, you can simply you can simply install the HBO Max application on your new phone, and then you can simply open the application. So after opening the application, now what we're going to do is make sure that we remember our credentials of HBO Max account, right? Simply tap on agree right here, and then from there all you need to do is tap on sign in. So after tapping on sign in, all you need to do is add in your email address or the mobile number of your account, then tap on continue. So after tapping on continue, there will be the option of adding down the password of your account. So all you need to do is add in the password of your account, then tap on login, and just like that you will actually be logged into your HBO Max account on your new device. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.